Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners. This is going to be an easy tutorial for you as a beginner to be able to promote products from Amazon marketplace. So Amazon is this huge online commerce place, online retail marketing place where people consistently buy daily. So there are thousands and millions of people buying from Amazon, and Amazon is a trusted marketplace for people to order their products and services, whatever they need. So instead of going to a retail shop on down the road or in the street, they go and purchase and order things from Amazon, because certain things that you will may not find at a retail store down your down the street or down the lane, you will be able to find it on Amazon. So Amazon has a vast variety of products and services that are being sold daily, consistently. While you sleep, there are thousands of people who are going and purchasing products and services. So if you want to make a lot of money from Amazon, okay, you need to watch this video. So if you're new here, I want you to subscribe, because I'll be creating a lot more content on this channel that will help you get started with affiliate marketing and make your first 6 figures using affiliate marketing. So make sure to sign up, check out links in description. I've included free resources for you. I'm giving you first 3 chapters of my affiliate marketing mastery book. You can also pre-order the book, links in the description. You can also check out the affiliate marketing mastery course. For the first 50 of you, you can use the coupon code that is given below, and you'll be able to save a lot of money for a $200 course. So I'll teach you everything about affiliate marketing. It will make you a master at it, and it'll help you make your first 6 figures using affiliate marketing. If you've been struggling with affiliate marketing, check that out. So let's get into today's video, where I'm talking about Amazon affiliate marketing. So in order to promote Amazon affiliate marketing products, so Amazon products, what you need to do is you need to actually essentially, you would have seen thousands of YouTube channels who talk about this tech products, whether they talk about phones, smartphones, laptops, um, any kind of gear, any kind of electronic equipment, any kind of tool, any kind of book that they use, that they read, or camera equipment, or the microphone, lighting studio, anything that people need. So due to this digital economy, people have been buying a lot of products from the comfort of the home, and from that, because of that, Amazon sales have skyrocketed, and the affiliate marketing industry is about $12 billion. Okay, so if you want even 1 million of that, you can literally get into it right now and make 1 million easily. Just need to spend just about 1 year or 1.5 years or 2 years just consistently to make that 1 million faster. So this is an opportunity for you, because if you miss it out right now, you will regret it later. There are a lot of people who are making money using affiliate marketing, and they're able to promote products on Amazon, because Amazon is a trusted marketplace. They sell a lot of products and services, and they also offer products that pay you good commissions. So even though you go and sign up for the products, and you need to go and sign up to their Amazon Associates Central program, which is their backend affiliate marketing program that they have, where they pay you commissions. So what you need to do is go to Amazon Associates Central, go fill up your account. Okay, go fill up your create an account, fill up your details, enter your bank accounts, and then once you've filled your tax information and bank account where you like to get paid, or the method of payment, you will get approved immediately. And within that, you will be able to go and search for the products and services that you want to promote. Let's say you read a book, grab that affiliate link from that Amazon Associates Central, get the short link or the long link, whatever you want, and then talk about that book by creating a video, or talk about the smartphone that you have, talk about the camera that you have, talk about the webcam that you have, talk about the microphone that you have. If you have a laptop that you use, talk about that, and say the pros and the cons, the benefits. Is it worth it? And just place your affiliate link. So people who watch your video and find value in that video, they will click that link, and they will come and buy it through your affiliate link. If you have a blog post, write about it. If you're getting a content on video content on social media, people watch it, and then they will ask you for your affiliate link. So that's how it's easy to make money using Amazon affiliate marketing. People generally, as the beginners, what they will do is they will see, okay, Amazon is selling some affiliate product, let's not, and they're paying very less commissions, so I'll not go for it. No. The thing is, since Amazon is a trusted authority, a trusted source for affiliate marketing, or for products that they sell, it's easier to go and grab your affiliate link for products and services that you want to recommend or you want to promote, and talk about that, or create a content piece or a video or a post or whatever you want to do, talk about it, and then tell people to go and purchase it through your affiliate link. It's as simple as that. Because if you can get a lot more people to actually watch a video, like a video, or even um, write see a post, or click on it, you'll be able to get a lot more sales. The whole trick is lies in the volume of traffic that you can send to your video or to your affiliate link. If you can get a lot more people to click through your affiliate link, you'll make a lot more sales. That's how you make a lot of money in using other people's products, especially Amazon's products. So Amazon is a great opportunity for you to get started, because you do not need to go sign up anywhere. They allow you to promote products and services from anywhere in the world. And if people come and purchase through Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate associates program, you will be tracked for every single sale that you make, whether that is physical products, digital products, whether that is books, that is anything to do with your household, anything to do with cars, anything to do with equipments, machinery, whatever the case may be. They have different categories. So I'll put a snapshot of what all they offer on their website. So you'll get different commissions for different products that you can promote. And because you are actually promoting it, if someone purchases through your link, within 24 hours, they have a 24-hour cookie window. What do you mean by 24-hour cookie window? For the 24 hours from the moment they click your link, and if they purchase it through your affiliate link, any amount of sales, whether they add other products to the cart, you'll be credited a commission for that, because you brought a customer to them. That's how there's an advantage of you promoting Amazon Associates product or Amazon's products, by grabbing your affiliate link and placing it in the link in the description, or link in your bio, or link in your link tree, or wherever you're trying to promote your affiliate products on. So make sure to don't take Amazon Associates lightly. There are thousands of products that you can promote. If you can consistently create content on products that you want to promote, you pick a product that you want to promote, you consistently create a content on that and place your affiliate link. Someone who watches it, interested in that, they will click your link, they'll make a purchase. And if they add other products to their to the checkout, you will credit a commission for all the other products that they purchase. So you make a lot more than what you initially paid for. That's the added bonus. So most people are making thousands of dollars just bringing customer to Amazon. If you can bring a customer, whether they purchase that product or they purchase some other product, you will be credited commission for whatever each and every product category has been that commission has been assigned. So check out the link in the description below. You'll find value. So if you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.